yoke. Okay, next one.
In case of evil clown, pull string. Sounds good to me.
Honk.
Okay. How do you even find something like this? Tell me, how is it even possible to find this? I don't understand. Honk. What?
Honk.
Honk. Why it say it like that? Fufu, the answer is simple. Do not underestimate the internet. Never underestimate it. Clip that. Clip what? This entire thing? You can just download it. Okay, those were some memes, man. Thank you guys.